Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So draw the grasses using green color clay like this. Now we will make the rainbow using different color clays. Now cut it from the sides and paste some clouds like this. Make the white color lines on the top and then put the mushrooms like this and then make some flowers near it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, put some yellow color balls like this of the clay. Now press it using the fingers. Now make the grasses or the stems of the pineapple using green color clay and spread it. Make some dots on it and it's ready. Next, draw the green color lines using green color like this. Now take the colorful balls using the clay and paste it on the white sheet. So make the trees and the flowers like this. Make the leaves using green color clay and then put some birds and beautiful honeybees around it like this, and it's ready. Next, take the pink color clay as shown in the video, make some small balls out of it like this and join it. Now put the white color clay in the between, make some more flowers like this and paste them one by one. Now draw the stems and leaves near it like this, put some red dots, and then we will take a tissue paper and make a bouquet out of it, and it's ready. Next, we will draw the green lines like this, make the branch of the tree. Now paste the leaves near it like this, make the flowers using different color clays and paste them one by one on the tree like this. Make the fence near it, and it's ready. Next, take the black sheet and paste the dry sticks on it. Now draw the line. Now put some clay like this. Now make its eyes. Draw a bird on the top like this. Make its leg. Make a moon and the stars near it, and it's ready. Next, take a black color paper and paste it on the white sheet. Now take the brush and put the black color on the sides of it like this. Now paste its eyes. Make the eyeballs. Make its mouth like this, and it's ready. Next, take the clay and spread it using the fingers like this. Now we will use different color clays. Now make these sticks and your ice cream sticks are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the pink color clay and then make these small balls out of it and paste it on the white sheet like this. Make the leaves using green color clay and draw the lines on it. Put the yellow color birds in the between. Draw their wings and eyes like this. Draw their legs, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.